In this video, we're going to trace the selection sort code in Java here. So I've got an array right here all ready to go. The index is 0 through 4, and a set of numbers here that we're going to sort using this code. So we're going to start here. It's called selection sort, and we're going to go down here, and the very first step is to let j be 0. So I'm going to set j right here at an index of 0, and I'm noticing right here it's going to stay less than elements.length minus 1. I come down here and I see that min index is going to equal j, so I'm going to bring min index right there, right next to j. It is also 0 right now. And then I go down to this for loop and it says that k is going to start at j plus 1. So that means k is going to start right here at 1. All right, and it's less than elements.length. So I go down here and it says if elements at k. All right, so elements at k is 8. If it is less than the one here at min index, I'm going to do something, but it's not less than. So I'm back up to the for loop and k goes up by 1. So k is now at 2. And I check this again. If the elements at k, which is a 1, is less than what's at min index, which is a 3, I set min index to k. That means now my min index is right here. All right, I keep going. K goes up again, and I'm doing this comparison right here. And is 7 less than 3? Oh no, not 3. I'm comparing with min index. Is 7 less than 1? Which it is not. So I go back up here and k goes up again, and I check to see if 5 is less than 1, and it is not. And now I have finished this for loop, and I come down here, and my first step here is to let temp be elements at j. So let's see, elements at j is a 3. So I'm going to just clone that and set it right here with temp. Then I let elements at j equal elements at min index. That means that this 1 is going to go up there. So I'll just clone that and put it up here. And that 3 is going to go away. And now I have a 1 there. And you'll notice for a moment I have 2 1s in my array. And then I come down here, and elements at min index equals temp. And this is where that 3 gets used. So I bring the 3 over here, the 1 disappears, and I have my 3. All right, and I've done one iteration of this outer for loop, and so now I go right here, and j is plus plus. On my next line, min index starts back up at j, and then k starts at j plus 1. And so k starts right up here. All right, so we're going to go through a little faster as we go along. But so we're going to compare 3 with 8, and it's less, so min index goes here. K comes down. I'm going to compare 7. It is not less than 3. K goes down. 5 is not less than 3. And you'll notice if K actually technically does go down again, it's no longer less than elements.length. So then we're down to here. Our temp is what's at elements at J, which is this 8. So that comes over here. And then we're going to be on this line. Elements at J is what's at the min index. So this 3, we'll clone it and put it up here. We'll get rid of that 8 there. So that goes there. And then we're going to take this 8 right here and bring it over. So elements at min index equals temp. So we'll bring it over here. And that goes away. And now we've got our 8 right there. Great. So we're back up here, j++. Our min index gets set to j, which it just happens to be there already, so that's convenient. And k starts right here. This time we check, is 7 less than 8? Yes, it is. Min index comes down here. K goes here. Is 5 less than 7? Yeah, min index comes here. So I've been doing this part without moving the arrow, but our min index changed twice. K goes up again. We're off the edge of this, and so we come down here, and our temp is the one at J, so we'll clone that and bring that over here. And then in position J, we're going to take the one at min index. So we'll clone that one, bring it up here. We'll delete that 8. There we go. And then we're going to take, and in min index, we're going to put the one at temp. So that comes over here. Delete that. And there we go. And now we are, let's see, we bring, we're back up here. J goes up, J++. So J goes up 1, min index, the next line, min index, oops, my arrow moved. Min index comes up to here, and then K starts at J plus 1. And this gives us a hint right now as to why we stop at elements.length minus 1, because K is always 1 beyond J. All right, so this is going to be our last time through, and we're going to look right here. Is 8 less than 7? No, it isn't. And so then K is already off the board here. We come down here. What happens? Okay, temp equals elements at J. So we're going to actually temporarily put 7 here. And then we're going to have elements at J equal elements at min index. We're literally going to copy the 7 with a 7. And then we're going to copy the 7 with a 7 again. And we are done. And of course, now J comes down here, and J is no longer less than elements.length minus 1. And we are completely done, and everything is in order.